Kunjani bafethu, yabona abantu mabenza kahle, we need to applaud and acknowledge their good work bafethu. Khalil Ben Yusuf Cedric Kaze, the past 4 games they've been doing well for Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have won 4 games in a row for the first time since 2023. That's according to Optajab bafethu. And for that, I think we need to give them their plaudits bafethu because they've been doing well for Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have been playing beautiful football. Yabona namhlanje nale game ye-Obi College, I think they played really beautiful football. For me, I have to applaud them bafethu with that midfield. Mabowe noNdlovu namhlanje. For me, I think those two guys, they were bossing the midfield bafethu. Yabona uMdu Shabalala, I think he was playing his best game in a very long time for Kaizer Chiefs. I was surprised Mbabam substituted in the second half because I believe the guy was doing well. The guy wasn't supposed to be substituted, at least ngalesa sikhathi abamsubstitute ngaso. Ngoba kuthe kungena Ethan Chislet, for me bafethu, I think the guy didn't do anything like that I could see with okay, this guy is having an impact. I thought uMdu Shabalala was having a good game, and if uqedile le game le bafethu, I wouldn't be surprised or angry at the coaches because I think uMdu Shabalala was playing a good game. But nonetheless, Kaizer Chiefs won their 4th game in a row. Claude Lilepo scoring a umfana technique. That's one thing you should know about Claude Lilepo. The guy has a technique, and I prefer him as a striker. Wangena umfundo Vilakazi, I think he played a good game as well. But for me, my standout player, I have to give it to uSiphelile Ndlovu. He was really bossing that midfield. Not also forgetting Ispani Eshawo Bradley Cross to take care of Seluleko Mahlambi. But that boy is tricky. But uBradley Cross kept that boy quiet. Lo mfana lo usephakatheni like a Bradley Cross, but nonetheless Kaizer Chiefs played a good game.
Alright, i-team enkulu yase-South Africa isivele yenza lokhu edume ngakho yavulela induku lapha e-FNB Stadium kubulawa i-TS Galaxy. Ibingekho yenze njani? Bekufanele ishawe i-TS Galaxy sigijimise i-top 2 siyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Uzobeza bazongihlafuna kanjani lapha kuma comment section. Anyways, let's talk about the game. The Kaizer Chiefs were playing a back three. I don't like a back three because you are very vulnerable to a counter attack. But ETS Galaxy in the game being a command, so they were not really threatening when it comes to a counter. Secondly, they were playing a very high line. So when you play with a back three, obviously you need to utilize your wing backs. Uthabisa Monyane was on the right, pushing very high, and on the left uDuba Lilepo would occasionally interchange the roles because it was very demanding for them, because sometimes maybe bashaye imoto bayetama numbers in attack and maybe babuye futhi bazolegela ucross when it comes to the defensive work. But they didn't struggle too much because of a partnership kaNdlovu noMaboyi. What they would do is they would interchange the role of covering the back three. If uNdlovu engekho, uMaboyi is sitting deep, and if uNdlovu is sitting deep, uMaboyi ushaye imoto yaphambili to add numbers in attack. So as a result, ETS Galaxy couldn't be threatening in a counter because one, there was a 6 covering the back three in uNdlovu and uMaboyi interchanging the role, and also ama wing backs Makmela Buya Shaimoto as a defender, they would come back and assist Ugiven Msimango, assisted by Umonyani, and Cross would be assisted by either Ulilepo or Wandile Dube. Great performance by the boys, particularly Aiden McCarthy. Aiden McCarthy bafethu kunale game that really helped Kaizer Chiefs, especially on the first half. Kunala pass our KP. I think we keep it 3 or 4. Yala pass, progressive passing, not sideways, progressive passing. And what that does is it alleviates the pressure from a defensive line here too, so that we can initiate the next phase of which is the attack. Salute to the boy. Great goal by Lilepo. I mean, special awareness. Realizing with Lumfo Pumile Palin. I don't need to take many touches. I open my body up. I pass the net. Goal, start with 3 points, Pumas Ham. So salute to the boys. ICAF football next season, we will definitely be there. Uguti IPG ICAF as cabinet tinsel, Mara we will be there.
I'm sure the rand just strengthened. Someone check on the ROE, please. I'm sure it's strengthened right now. 4 wins in a row. Kaizer Chiefs, I'm sure Kaizer Chiefs can stop the war that's going on in the world. Ask them. Hey, we're beating people. People are twerking around us. We just made TS Galaxy twerk. We literally kicked a horse when it was dead. Yeah, we are ruthless, man. We are dangerous. Give me the Soweto derby. Give me the Soweto derby right now. I'm ready. Change of tune. Give me the Soweto derby. Bring it. Because my case, there's nothing. That is 3 points literally waiting for me to go pick up the package and leave. No, there's nothing. My case, there is nothing. But now, switching back to the game, TS Galaxy is finished. TS Galaxy, you do know that there's a relegation battle going on down there. From number, 16 to number 10, nobody's safe. And you guys are sinking. Slowly, one game at a time, you go in there. There's nothing. Did they even attack us? TS Galaxy. I can't remember. Did we even have a goalkeeper on the pitch? Or playing with 10 men? And McCarthy promised shift. Go on, McCarthy shift. McCarthy, whenever he went for a header, he won it. Every single header he won it. And then I need to talk about our midfield. Ndlovu. Mawuwe. You're going to get a shift. Workhorses. Engines. Pistons running up, and those two together. That's why I need the derby now, with those two sitting like that. And guys, why are you trying to sneak up on my boy? Stop running up on my boy behind. You're gonna get hurt. Your ankles, the tanning. It looks that. My mother, my boy, and my brother. These guys have got families. You can't be tanning grown men like that. You are hurting their ankles. Ankles are hurting. Hey. TS Galaxy, you're in trouble, my friend. You are in trouble. The football you guys are playing. There's none. There's none. There was not even a single time I sat there and thought I was threatened. TS Galaxy will do nothing. Easy, comfortable win. Easy. But 3 points in the bag. Now, basically, CAF Confederation solidified because Siwele did us a favor yesterday. So our CAF is ours. We are going back to the CAF Confederations Cup, and this time, I'm of course switch on. But next game, my Casey.
Mna i-1 ka ukuthi ngoku kancinci ngoku iSouth Africa ngoku iyayiluza la Chiefs leya eyayenza kube mnandi South Africa siyi-country sihleke sonke kube mnandi silibale neengxaki zethu ayikho ngoku iphi kanti la Chiefs ye-comedians leya ibethwa oko ndiyabala ngoku ii-games yalandelelana iyawina 1 2 3 4 igame yesine le bewina aba bantu. And uyababona ba-serious bayayazi le nto bayenzayo uyabona ukuthi xa bedlala ibhola yabo idibene bayayazi le nto bayifunayo. Ndizibhaqa sendisithi kulaa goal kadilepo le ayikoreye kude ndizibhaqa sendisithi what a goal ndaphinde ndazinqanda ndithi what a goal yantoni imbi le goal imbi iChiefs le idlala apho ndiyilibele yonke loo nto. Thina silahlekelwe shem ndiyayibona yonke enye into thina silahlekelwe siyi-country thina sifuna iChiefs yethu ibuye.
Ngeke akuyo Kaizer Chiefs lesi squad kudijaniswe abadlali baphesheya. Mna ndibabonile oPedri, ndibabonile oPedri, ndibabonile oRafinha, mna ndibabonile oMbappe, ndibonile uRonaldo. Mna pha akuyo Kaizer Chiefs le. Ngeke irojiwe iTS Galaxy idijaniselwe abadlali baphesheya. Ngeke kumele akhalaze uthi Msukazi le akuyo Kaizer Chiefs ebedlala nayo udijaniswe isquad sabadlali baphesheya. Mna ndibabonile noYamal mna namhlanje. Ngeke rojiwe la TS Galaxy.
Full-time score, Kaizer Chiefs 2, TS Galaxy 0. Bafethu Kaizer Chiefs, Bayern Munich, Kaizer Chiefs. Bafethu lento ngicela ingene emqondweni wenu. I'm going to say it again. For the remaining games kule season, we're not going to lose any game. We're not going to drop any points. And lento ngiyishiso mhlawumbe ukutrolla. I'm serious. The style of football we're playing, the type of football we are displaying for our fans. It's truly special, exceptional. Kaizer Chiefs, I'm expecting nothing less. Because the Chiefs, performer. Yes. I want to better my players are outstanding. He's definitely up there. I don't about the man of the match, but I hope we start the man of the match. Because beautiful display of football from this boy. Beautiful display of football. I'm a forward passes. I'm a long ball. I'm a clearances. I'm a aerial duels. This boy is too good. and our first goal scorer, Flavio da Silva. Great positioning from assist do or die. And talking about do or die, young Chablis because Lopana lo, I want a young negativity, abelogi on internet. I meetly sang. I meetly sang still a performer for Kaizer Chiefs. Dudu Shabalal, Kubega Fit. Emma Sakuba inja game, but Masakuba inja game, but Mabu, Eva Fitungeg. I want la. Se revive career yakhe yabona mtshisa phela bese kuthi ufile yabona manje uyabuya mfethu and mina ngiyaphinda futhi lo mtshisa uyayideserve i-national team call up uyayideserve uya ku-World Cup. He's playing very good. He's playing very good. Yabona yena i-partnership yakhe benondlovu first la partnership iyasebenza and ibona enye yama reasons why besikwazi ukudominate i-possession. It's him Nondlovu. And bafethu, what a good performance from Ndlovu fethu. Abona fethu ama recoveries abawenza. Wala mchisa fethu, he's so good for Kaizer Chiefs. He's so good. Bobabili fethu, bobabili. They're so good for Kaizer Chiefs. Ngiyakhohlwa ama full back sets fethu uMonyane weno cross very good when it comes to defending. No attack fethu ngak discredit. And then uMonyane attacking wise ucishe uswinele penalty la muntu. Yabona nje bese uMonyane fethu is too good. He is too good. Angazi Barrett yamvumela nje mthambi. But igeni yethu le lavana is too good. He's too good for ilontos. Ngiyaphinda bese national.
Okay, my first that's it for video namhlanje. All I can say ukuthi when I saw starting 11 Cities Galaxy and I saw ukuthi Umbunjana akekho he's suspended. I was like, yeah, Chiefs are going to win. It's gonna be a walk in the park because if ubuka like most of my games Cities Galaxy Chiefs Umbunjana uyena umuntu who usually give Chiefs in king. Every time I get Chiefs, Umbunjana is always there. Because even the last game they played, Umbunjana like was showing up, was posting la midfield, and not having Umbunjana Lapa, I think like really hurts him. ETS Galaxy, and I don't know what's happening with ETS Galaxy, bro. I wanna ETS Galaxy and Stellenbosch are the two teams I rate besides the big three. I like ETS Galaxy, I like Stellenbosch, but this season they've been horrible. Angazi ukuthi ngizala ngeTS Galaxy because they lost to uPuso kuphela. I think because I'm not there ngama transfers eTS Galaxy, but I think they lost to Puso. They lost UCM was bengasoni starter kuTS Galaxy, but this season feels like ETS Galaxy is bad, dog. It's bad. And when we scored 6 goals at ETS Galaxy, they were like game sitting team. But to keep ETS Galaxy, like, did you see the keeper? Keeper nimbonile uTS Galaxy futhi goals too like keep yaphi like what's the reason ukuthi uzuphume kangaka dog kangaka. But yeah, I'm not against winning Chiefs but feels like badlale kahle like and I'm like I enjoyed watching Chiefs namhlanje. I enjoyed uMabuwe uNdlovu and uMakhathi dog like uMakhathi is good. UMakhathi is good and I've been thinking ukuthi uDotli Makabuya is he going to like walk kule starting 11 or kuzomele alwe because uMakhathi is like really fighting for la position there. He's not faced by anything and I'm concerned with Dotli because uDotli naye ngimdinga a fit back to Bafana. He's one of those players that ngimdinga a fit even though a rivalry ngimdinga a fit for Bafana ne. And anything ngicabangayo ukuthi it's good ukuthi i-big 3 will be competing with CAF next season. And angifuna ukuthi kube into next season kuphela lento le ukuthi ama big 3 be careful kumele kube into enzeka year in year out, not because not only will the teams benefit but in squad sethu naso so benefit because like you watch ama best unders mengadlala bra go FCON and stuff or my friends, they are just so comfortable dog because they are used to playing player ngaphandle different energies, different vibes. They are used to lento le. So I need the Pirates and Chiefs ukunabo bajwayele ukuthi nje CAF. I don't care what the Pirates are confed but I need to what the Pirates and Chiefs season in season out we CAF. So yeah, that's all I can say about the game when I'm trying about it. I don't really like. I'm not an analyst. I'm an analyzer. I just watch it all about it and yeah, he's a last so my friends with a team nani and I hope you will see video enjoy about it. So I'll see you guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, boom.